fire, held my heart without putting out my fire. He didn't try to dim my flame. He just whispered, I see you, stay the same. Let me be soft, didn't break me, didn't scoff. Spoke to the girl I used to hide, and held me on the quiet side. He let me breathe, let me feel. He made my softness something real. He let me be soft. No shame when I cried, no sigh when I slipped. He held my soul like a handwritten script. Didn't ask for strength I didn't have, just stood beside me when I cried. He didn't need me to be tough. He just loved me gentle enough. He let me be soft, didn't break me, didn't scoff. Spoke to the girl I used to hide, and held me on the quiet side. He let me breathe, let me feel. He made my softness something new. He let me be soft. Now I wake up feeling whole, knowing softness has a home. He's the man who let me heal with a love that made me kneel. He let me be soft.